Resources President Carl Peterson says the recent tax increases will have a dramatic impact to the economy as a whole, as well as our personal lives. Peterson spoke to the Rotary Club of Northern Guam today about the effect of the 1% increase to the business privilege tax or gross receipts tax. Peterson explained the effect of this tax from an investment perspective. He used the example of $1 that doubles once a year for 20 years. At the end of 20 years, you will have accumulated $1,048,000. However, he says if you tax each increase at 30%, you will only have accumulated $40,626.
That's the impact of taxes. So when you add 25% to the gross receipts, that has a long-term impact on everybody's wealth. We just don't see it for a long period of time. Or if we just save a little bit more and it's not taxable, it makes a huge difference. So a tax on income or assets has a tremendous wealth-generating impact.
Instead, Peterson says Gov Guam should focus on improving efficiency rather than raising taxes. He says this inefficiency is not caused by one person or another, but rather by the nature of the government system as a whole. He says Gov Guam lacks a sense of urgency and used a personal example of a 9-month wait he had to get a simple building permit. Peterson has some ideas for how Gov Guam can improve efficiency.
One central computer system where everybody talks to everybody, and there's one department, one agency, one group that oversees what everybody's doing so that they can't use excuses. I mean, there's then a sense of urgency to get it done. It's more efficient that way because there's a centralized computer system. Just like you running your own business. It's got to have the same motivation, otherwise it cannot be as efficient. And it's a system, again. It's not have nothing to do with the people.
Peterson says Gov Guam could also look at privatizing certain services like the Guam Memorial Hospital.